Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Craig here from Lamborghini Pangbourne, and we are presenting today Mr. Rana's brand new Lamborghini Temerario. I cannot wait to show you the spec. Please let us know what you think in the comments. Okay, let's talk about the exterior specification of Mr. Rana's new car. The colour we chose for this vehicle is Arancio Xanto, which is a lovely pearl orange colour. And we've gone for the orange livery, the Arancio livery, but we've managed to have a special request to have extra gold fleck in the livery itself, which is pinstriped around the carbon fibre and on the Alleggreita package. We've then gone around the side and gone with black, gloss black finished wheels with black calipers, just to leave the orange to really pop against the carbon. Thank you very much for Topaz Detailing, doing an amazing job on the PPF, and the Auto Sanctuary for doing the details on the front bonnet we have here, and also some more customization inside the car, which we'll show you later on. So with the Alleggreita package, you have this lovely blade here, which is finished in the carbon fiber. Also moving down to the rocker cover here, also in full carbon fiber with the orange Arancio pinstripe on the livery. And as we go closer to the back, from the rear area here, you have a complete carbon panel with carbon engine cover, and also the Alleggreita, the more aggressive optional carbon rear spoiler. Beneath the spoiler, we have the titanium back box or muffler, which actually will glow blue. We'll get this blue when we start driving this around town. And then not to forget, we have the carbon rear valance with the Arancio pinstripe in here as well. Okay, before we jump inside, let me show you some lovely details. So we have the puddle lights, the Lamborghini puddle lights here. So when you open the door, you can see the logo on the floor. And this personalization here is incredible. That was done by the Auto Sanctuary. The orange to match the orange in the interior, and the orange livery. We have Rana's Instagram tag there, which looks fabulous. And don't forget, on the sports seat, the carbon finish also at the rear, just here, which looks fabulous. The brand new Lamborghini V8 twin turbo engine, where it has 3 electric motors, 907 horsepower. This car will propel itself from 0 to 62 in 2.7 seconds. I feel it feels faster, but we'll see, and you'll see in our videos when we drive it. Let me show you around Mr. Rana's interior of his Temerario. So we have the sports seats finished with leather and the Corsa-Tex material. We have also Corsa-Tex on the steering wheel finished with carbon, which is very nice. We have the Alcantara across the dashboard as well, including the very important cup holders. On the door cards, because the car is equipped with Alleggreita, it has the full carbon fiber door card, and we opted for the new factory sound system upgrade, the Sonos Faber system, which is fabulous. Cannot wait to go driving in this with Mr. Rana.